Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to add audio in After Effects. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First thing you should do is to open your Adobe After Effects program, then go to new project right here. After clicking on new project, tap on new composition, and here you can choose the resolution of your composition and also the duration from this option right here. And you can also change the background color, and you can also name the composition. I'm gonna name it audio, for example. Then after that, click on OK, and now here, as you can see, you have the composition. Now all you have to do to import the audio is to double click on this site right here, double click on it, then go choose whatever audio you want. I'm gonna choose this one here, for example. Just single click on it, then click on import, and now here, as you can see, I have this audio with me. All you have to do now is to drag this audio like this and put it in this area right here and leave it. And here, as you can see, you have the audio in the timeline, and you can also change the duration of the composition in order to be the same duration of your audio. And here in my case, the audio is, as you can see here, 1 minute and 4 seconds. And now I want to change the duration of this composition right here. So all I have to do is to choose the composition, then go to composition here, then click on composition settings, and here, as you can see, you can modify the duration, and I'm gonna make it 1 minute and 30 seconds, for example. Then click on OK, and here, as you can see, I have more time, and the duration of the composition is bigger than the duration of the audio that I have imported. And you can also lower the audio or higher the sound level by using this panel right here. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.